Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this demo, I will show you how to use Labii as electronic lab notebook in production. Labii offers a solution to the unique requirements of scientists working in production environments, where strict adherence to standard operating procedures and standardized experiment notes is necessary. By providing the ability to structure experiments into sections, Labii allows users to create an electronic laboratory notebook that is tailored to meet the specific demands of production work. This customization allows scientists to effectively document their work, while maintaining compliance with industry standards. In order to get started, you will need to install an electronic lab notebook for production. Just like with all other Labii records, you can add a new experiment from the side menu, or from the experiment list view. You can also add a new experiment from the existing template. Click Add button from side menu and then select Experiment in the list. Provide the project's name and the description of the experiment. Provide the start date of the experiment. Provide the experiment due date if needed. Select a protocol from drop-down if you want to associate a protocol to this experiment. Click Submit button to submit. Production experiments require thorough documentation, including details on the overview, procedure, reagents, results, and discussion. Labii ELN for production allows experiments to be organized into multiple sections, making it easier for researchers or reviewers to quickly access specific information without having to scan the entire document. The Sections tab will open once the experiment has been created. Your experiment automatically includes the predefined sections and their data. By doing this, you will save time in creating sections as well as avoid errors. The first section is Procedure, where you can store step-by-step instructions. According to my configuration, 5 steps are automatically loaded. It is also possible to add a step, edit a step, or remove a step. To complete a step, click Completed. You can also run the procedure in full screen. This function allows you to follow each step while performing experiments.
Thaw all reagents on ice for 5 minutes.
This widget will guide you through each step with voice. It is also possible to write down your observations and complete one step. In case you would prefer to display a protocol in a traditional way, the Protocol section allows you to display a protocol in a PDF format. When you are ready to document the results, you can put the text results into Section 3. Tabular results into Section 4. And additional files to Section 5. Upon finishing an experiment, you will be able to start signing it in the Signers section of your experiment once it has been completed. In order to sign, you can either add signers or click the Sign as Author button. In the pop-out window, provide the comment, login password, and draw your signature. In addition to the default sections, you can also add additional sections as needed. You can do this by clicking the Add Section button and selecting a widget. Click More Widgets to browse hundreds of widgets available on the platform. From the left panel, select a category to view widgets. To find a widget, use the search box at the top. The Audit Trail feature in Labii ELN allows for the tracking and recording of all changes made to an experiment, including who made the changes and when. This feature provides a clear and complete history of an experiment, ensuring that all data is secure and tamper-proof, and easier to identify any potential problems or issues. Click button of Other tabs. Select Version to view a list of all versions, Activities to check a record of activities, and Visitors to list down visitors. In a production environment, it is often necessary to generate reports or share experiment notes with customers or outside parties. Labii makes it easy to customize the report to include the required sections. This enables data privacy and security as unnecessary information is not shared. Click the Print button to generate report. In the New tab, you can customize how the report looks like by clicking the Hide button. Once you are happy with the layout, you can click the Submit button or Print button. The final report will appear and you can print or save it as a PDF. That's it for Electronic Lab Notebook in production. I have only covered a fraction of the features of Labii ELN. Please refer to our documentation for a complete guide. If you would like to have a live demo with one of our representatives, please feel free to schedule a demo on our website. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.